Hello everyone, today let me share with you how to make spring rolls. It is easy to wrap the spring rolls, but it's difficult not to break it during the frying time. So what's the secret? "300 grams of shredded pork. If you don't eat pork, change it to beef or chicken. It will be the same delicious. 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Marinate for 40 minutes. 2 tablespoons of oil. We stir-fry the meat until it turned brown. We take out the pork and use the same pan to stir-fry the Chinese cabbage. 2 tablespoons of oil, 150 grams of Chinese cabbage. Stir-fry a little. When the Chinese cabbage becomes soft, put 50 ml water, half teaspoon of salt. Put on the lid and cook it in low heat for 5 minutes. Now we put the pork back. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. In the end, put 20 ml of cornstarch water. Keep mixing and make sure there is no more liquid can be seen. Turn off the fire and wait for the meat becomes cold. This step is very important. If you use hot meat, the spring rolls will be very easily broken. In the meanwhile, let's prepare the flour water to help wrap the spring rolls. 1 tablespoon of flour, 3 tablespoons of water. Mix well until we get yogurt texture. Now we separate the wrappers. Let's wrap the spring rolls. Which kind of spring roll filling do you like? The Chinese cabbage with shredded pork is the most common one. We also have carrot with beef, carrot with pork, spring onion with beef, chicken with mushroom, egg with spinach, and so on. So what's your preferred one? With 300 grams of pork and 150 grams of Chinese cabbage, I made 36 spring rolls. Let's fry them. We put a chopstick inside the oil. When we can see some small bubbles around, the oil's temperature is ready. Because the meat and the Chinese cabbage are already cooked, so we need very little time to fry. When the color of the spring rolls are golden, we turn off the fire and take them out. Let's enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you next time.